Yogakshemam 27 September 2020. Theme: Intent and Spirit. There are 35 million recorded cases of corona in the world, of which 6 million in India, and 1 million deaths in the world, of which 0.1 million in India. Corona is still peaking. India is into second wave. 1% infections formally is the direction. 10 times more infections are likely. Herd immunity may be building up too. Corona mantra continues. Dr. M.B.V. Prasad on lifestyle. Lifestyle diseases require lifestyle adjustments. Some people have fear and/or anxiety. Many do not want to seek psychological or psychiatric help, and they may need appropriate psychological or psychiatric counseling, diagnosis, and treatment. Self-diagnosis may not be right and helpful. Chronic extreme sleep deprivation and/or excess sleep reduces cognitive ability slowly. Chronic less than 4 hours, more than 10 hours is also not okay. Can we clock 6 hours a day sleep on an average? Antyodaya reflected on Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission and National Urban Livelihood Mission, the progress and plans. Do we take the last people into confidence? Are not all incomes of the people, companies and governments, inclusive of taxes, coming from the people working at a lower wage and/or working with lower margins? Should not they be the owners of all development apparatus, architecture at all? Remembered Deen Dayal Upadhyay, 103 years, Konda Lakshman Bapuji, 105 years, Gurram Joshua, 125 years. 25th September, Sripati Pandita Radyula Balasubramanyam, Balu SPB went silent. 40,000 plus songs, 16 languages, 2 songs a day over 5 decades. Player across the music value chain, singer, music director, voice, actor, mentor. Telugu, South Indian states and India are getting back to life after a sudden stillness. SPB continues in the eternal space. 26 September, Modi speaks to United Nations General Assembly, bids for India's rightful place in decision making. Reforms in United Nations. This is not 1945. United Nations is not effective. Let us reflect truthfully. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vishwa Kalyan. Bihar elections are announced. Results on 10th November. New government may be formed by 15th November. Farm bills, troubled farmers, Bharat Bandh, some suicides too. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Mandi cooperative, minimum selling price operations at all, guarantee alternatives. These platforms add to bargaining and negotiation power to the farmer. Already low bargaining power cannot be undermined. Dispute redressal cannot be limited to official machinery. Essential Commodities Act may not benefit farmers as farmers, but may benefit farmers as consumers. Emergency Executive Committee imposition under certain circumstances may not benefit the farmers. Farmers selling anywhere is an option, but may not be exercised by many. Thus, these bills may help ease of doing business and not of ease of doing farming. These may not help the farmers' collectives also. It is not easy or possible to assume business will work on minimal profits, not make farmers contract labor in their own fields, not force farmers to sell at lower prices, sell only packaged items, not hoard. These bills may help in ease of doing business with farmers, may not be the other way. On ground examples like no APMC in Kerala, Maharashtra, Bihar, no APMC for milk, showing no help to farmers. When allowed to procure from farmers as wheat in 2003, it did not help farmers. Like in seeds, if the risks of production, credit, price, etc. are taken care for farmers, The contract farming may help farmers. In any case, these bills will not reduce the price fluctuations. These bills will not stop stocking and playing the market. Most farmers already are free to sell anywhere they want. The problem is the logistics and their affordability. Mandi prices act like benchmarks. These bills will take away these benchmarks. They only bring in free hand to business and big farmers. Still, recommendations of National Commission on Farmers with Swaminathan as chair on minimum support price are not implemented in full spirit. Farm debt cost has to come down. Farm security has to be improved. Farmers need to be collectivized. Local value chains need to be improved. Farmers, maybe through their collectives, need to fix their prices. We need market intervention operations. We need brands. We need Amuls, NDDBs, IRMAs. 3 labor codes: industrial relations, social security, occupational safety, health and working conditions, ambit increased to include migrants, unorganized workers, worker reskilling fund, flexibility for employers to hire and fire, threshold increased to 300 workers, strike only with 60-day notice. This may contribute to ease of doing business for employers. Will it help the workers? Workers' work security? Foreign Contribution Regulation Act Amendment. Focus is restriction and control. Account has to be opened at State Bank of India, Delhi. Administration cannot exceed 20% funds. Administration includes remuneration, travel, communication, and office management. Except for teachers, public servants cannot be paid. Public servants include local panchayat representatives. Transfer to other organizations, persons is not permitted. All office bearers, directors and key functionaries are to be Aadhaar identified. Government can hold summary inquiry and stop use or receipt of funds. All these restrictions can be fatal to civil society work and call for more Indian funds. They reduce leveraging ability significantly. Interesting on we want ease of doing business for business, not for profits. Can't the not-for-profits operate as for-profits and make no profits? Minimum to maximum pay. In all our organizations and enterprises, can we have a limit that the maximum that can be paid to an individual be not more than 50 times the minimum pay in the organization? If 50 is less, at least can it be 100 and not more? And the equity payment value should be included in this? Heart-to-heart talk continued. Raja, Arul, Gulati, Sanjeev, Balaji, Ajit and Saswat. Gurukulam's life and its nothing to hide intensity is re-energizing us. Absolute nakedness, mentoring, relationships, intimacies, making us better people. Towards realizing potential for usefulness, towards wonderful blossoming possibilities transcending existing constraints and patterns, towards working and being together with assurance that we are with us, synergies, joys of flows flowing together, learning and teaching ourselves, leading to love, loving to lead. Once we reach forums of significance for our lives, we end up having life friends. We keep adding knowledge, wisdom bites every day. We hone communication from within for communicating as per our will. We learn to have the courage and the ways to be with the souls and lives that we care. Let us not miss ourselves. Let us not miss the crescendo. This is possible. Could see and connect at cognitive level with one after a long silence. Let us connect at all levels and become complete. Got connected with another one. Could talk to each other. Ram Aneja lets us know that he is joining IRMA as Professor Emeritus. Back to IRMA after 25 years, together with Tushar. IRMA can go for a new life with renewed vigor. commitment, and new normal appreciation. We are inching towards going forward with development practice conversations. Please nominate leads. Please volunteer. Talk to Krishna Gopal. Can we have a new gen academic institute a la Irma suited for the new normal, maybe in Andhra Pradesh? Remembered Virat and Siddhartha. Then my mentors. So many, in so many forms, in so many ways, mentoring us, mentored by us. Reading, writing. When we start to read, can we commit to complete? Can we read like a writer? Can we write regularly? Writers read better and readers write better. Listeners tell the stories better and storytellers listen better. Lively. We need to read the entire book even if we do not understand. Ascertain the idea validity, writer's authority to write this, and idea usefulness. Look for metaphors. Write metaphors but authentic and appropriate. All-time best-selling books tell, achieve through definite purpose, buy assets and leverage income generated. Work on business as entrepreneur, manager, technician. Market perceptions. Smile, listen, make others important. Customize solutions, leave blue ocean value. Discuss to do and get surprises. Definite purpose is the intent, the reason for tapasya. Intent is the supreme driver of actions, not results. The journey, the flow. The flow has faster pace early, 80 to 100 hours per week. Longer hours, days, weeks. In the early days of flow too. We have at least 3 flows. 1 is learning, warming up. 2 is working with learning, performing to peak. 3. Being useful with work, preparing for life and legacy. B. Life and legacy. In our Sahasra Chandra life, approximately plus or minus 30%, we have 333 moon months, which is 27 years in each flow. Incidentally, flow 1 lasts till the flow 3 end and flow 2 joins flow 1. Flow 3 joins flow 2 and 1. It is Triveni. Realization that portfolio of interdependence, humility, learning practice and coexistence is the only way of the flows of usefulness. It becomes a living philosophy. Inspiration, intent with spirit. It can come from outside, from universe. Once inside, it drives us internal locus of control. We become more active and we are happier. Vivekananda's intent translated into Ramakrishna Math, mission, order, Lok Sikha Parishad. Annie Besant's intent into theosophical order of service of all humans, all life, including non-life. Multitude of movements, suborders, entities, etc. emerged across the world, from the Round Table, Home Rule League, Order of World Peace, Boy Scouts, etc. We have Satyagraha, we have Swadhyaya, so on. Shastri's intent translated into action, austerity and simplicity personified, concerned with common man. Dairy board, milk self-sufficiency. The intent, spirit and inspiration translated, Amul's success. Prime Minister Shastri visiting Anand and villages into the night and asking Varghese Kurian to replicate Amul. Shastri could give all the goodwill. Resources had to be raised. Dairy board, IDC came in. Monetization came in. Monetization of milk powder and butter oil. Operation Flood 1, 2, 3 happened. Amul's. Operation Golden Flow, oils and oil seeds. Collectives across commodities, market intervention operation, salt, electricity, Dhara, Sabarmati, professionals, IRMA, commons, FES, national collective, self-help, livelihoods, natural farming, many more examples. We listen into the intent, the intensity of it, the nuances of it, the sources that caused this, the sufferings, the reality, the emotions, the examples and evidences, the enormity, the sources that cause the tension in intention, the spirit of it, the ways of resolving this without losing the intent. Therefore, the ways forward. This is the inspiration to ourselves, our colleagues, our leaders we are serving. They may relate to the intent, the spirit in their ways. Let them do, let them get the inspiration deep within. This is critical for the intent to be energized, to be sprinted to spirit, to drive the thoughts, words, actions, consequential triggers. When the inspiration is flowing in, can we seek the story to continue? It lets the inspirations to become commitments and driver triggers. To be useful, we need to place ourselves in the usefulness spaces with needs. As beings, we may not do perfect work. Moving towards the same is possible. That is the way. The life of the intent is the spirit. Bringing spirit to life is inspiration. From deep within, triggered from within or without, spirit then drives actions. Spirituality searches the purpose direction. It seeks completeness, it seeks evolution to realize one's innate potential, full potential. It seeks who am I. It seeks reducing suffering, unhappiness. It seeks freedom, liberation. It seeks nature, life, in its possibilities and enormity. It seeks usefulness, meaningful, relevant. The search may end in choosing a path articulating an intent, intention, to be resolved by holding tight the search end rather than the current end. Actions are triggered, more are inspired, more actions, flows, drops, trickles, small streams, small rivers, mighty rivers, perennials, graduation unfolds, capacity flows, coexistence flows, yoga flows in the flow, for cessation of suffering, for freedom, liberation, for ego to go, for serving loving life, for Trikaran Shuddhi, for becoming Virat, Siddhartha, for listening to the inner self, for Ananda. The spirit can be animated through attention, reflection, and meditation daily. Exercises, asanas, mudras, music, sounds, dance, steps, silence, diets, fasting, simple existence, being with and observing nature, life, reading, writing, intense conversations, friends, swadhyaya. Mentor, community, groups animate the spirit. When we are ready, the Guru appears before us in a variety of forms: thoughts, words, pictures, scenes, experiences, friends, life. Initiation helps, satsang helps, discipline, pursuit, practice, and experience help. Working through a framework or principles, norms, and practices of existence, living and usefulness animates the spirit. A portfolio that includes appreciation, understanding, and knowledge, devotion and surrender to nature and universe, reflection, meditation, yoga, work with humility and energy to live and be useful. This working with intensity without being affected by results is the spirit, the spirituality. This includes working with technology, including data science and artificial intelligence. AI is progressing from responding from data repository, reasoning analysis, and using senses, from predefined procedures to predefined rules, patterns, as defined by experts, to learning on the go, figuring out patterns. It is not easy to exhaust all possibilities, to classify clearly through definitions. It is by recognition. It serves non-expert users. Models are possible. Data trains AI. More data, better it is. We have lot of labeled data. 7 billion mobiles, 4 billion active users. High computing power, consumer market for data. AI comes before us as an intelligent kid with data, translations, interpretations, summaries, outputs faster, much faster than most of us, especially in nature, science domain. It is teaching itself, AI general. It is going deeper, AI narrow. In medicine, it is progressing fast. Fear of unknown and mimicking our impulses is troubling us. Some jobs are being lost. We need to substitute them with human jobs. We are better in some things. AI is better in some other things. Therefore, we need to work in sync with intelligence of the universe. Individually, we need to surrender to it. How do we? Clear intent, spirit, inspiration, direction and values, naked openness, unlearning, learning, relationships and communication, actions, action architecture, action hygiene, and accountability matters. The core of the core, hope, faith, promise, love has to be active. Unlearning, learner has to be active. Servant leader has to be active. Life has to be active. We are working with leaders. We are here in communicating intent, animating spirit, facilitating inspiration, and supporting architecture. We can organize ourselves. We can do and seek action. We can coexist and be in teams. We can be one another by let go, by being vulnerable, by being connected, by love, smile, listen, giving time, energy, recognizing by name, touching deep within, connecting practices, reflecting, playing, singing in group or groups, nurturing and celebrating. Intent with spirit, intense willpower, soul power, translates into missions, movements, orders, communities, teams of coexistence on scale for our well being, for nature's well being, for universe's well being. This inspired, spirited intent for usefulness is eternal joy. Sudhasagara Shikara Dvipa Vasam. Join us in the world of yoga, Sankalpa Yoga for 7L. Krishna confirms Krishna Gurukulam is awaiting us to join in and flow with nature and universe to Sudhasagara.